Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Let's take a look of this simple animated navigation bar. So you can see first, if I refresh the page, you can see this is the animated navigation bar. And if I come here, you can see beautiful hovering effect. So I managed to create something like this in a simple line of command by using ChatGPT, and I do simple modification, guys. So all you need to do, just stay tuned and pay attention to what I'm about to give you, which is step by step and a click by click. So before further ado, guys, subscribe to this channel, smash the like button to give this video thumbs up, and let's dive in, guys. So if I come to the ChatGPT, guys, if you come to ChatGPT, specifically come to ChatGPT, now you can start lighting your prompt. So all you need just come to the section here to that the your command line, your prompt, your question here is to ask ChatGPT. So the more it becomes specific is your question is how the ChatGPT gonna do the things, is gonna things the things for for with more details. So if you want to do the things with more details with ChatGPT, then also you need to become more specific with your question. You need to add some. You need to add your question with you need to provide it with the with more information. For example, I'm going to say here line HTML for animated navigation bar, but make it at the center. So this is how you can giving ChatGPT extra information. So you become more specific to what you are going to target. So you're going to make it easy for ChatGPT to create the things in either, but it will take you simple time, guys. So it will take you small time so to complete the task. So as you can see here, I'm going to say ChatGPT, write an HTML for an animated navigation bar, make it at the center of the page from the top and left, and you can see provide the corresponding CSS code for styling. Also, maybe I can say maybe provide a view, quite amazing, maybe amazing background. So provide the amazing background to the body, guys. So let me take this, make it clear center, and I'm going to ask the ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT say, hey, here's an example of HTML code for animated navigation bar with a corresponding styling. So with a simple enough command, let's see what ChatGPT is going to do that for us. So it is already start lighting the CSL file, CSS code. If you're a programmer, then ChatGPT is going to save a lot of time, guys. So because if you know the things how the things go, if you can do ChatGPT and ask it for some of the help, then it is going to make you it is going to yes, guys, but also it is going to make you do a couple of things in a day with for few minutes, guys, because all you need to do is you can take the code and just do add some simple customization, guys. You can make simple customization, then it is going to be as you want. So guys, the ChatGPT is going to, now it is going to like the HTML code for the animated navigation bar. So after you have to, if you have to write for by yourself this code, then it's going to take you a lot of time, guys. So with ChatGPT, you just type the single line of command, then it is going to do that for you. You can see in above HTML code, you have defined the animated navigation by using div, and it is going to give an explanation also. So if you have the understanding of these things, then ChatGPT, guys, it is going to help you to do some of the advanced work. So because if you have already like this code for a couple of seconds, guys, then you can do your customization, but also you can also make it more advanced because it is going to save your time to let this. Then you're going to focus on more advanced tasks, guys. So if you copy this HTML code, let's say, and come and paste it to your HTML file. If you come and paste it to your HTML file, guys, then maybe let's say let's call it a navbar. Then I'm going to link the CSS file to this HTML file. Then this is the CSS file. Now, what I'm going to do, paste the HTML code. As you can see, this one is the basic HTML articulated and animated navigation bar. So if you come to the desktop and then you can maybe open this on your browser. So this is how it looked like before any styling. So with ChatGPT, we do this for seconds, guys. So if you come again in there, you can just scroll here up and you can see this is the CSS file. So ChatGPT like the HTML file, CSS file, and the JavaScript on the same file, but since I have the separate files, then I'm going to copy the style. I'm going to put it on the CSS file. So let me paste the CSS code here, and then you can save. If you're going to refresh the page, you're gonna see that things change. So if you save, this is the CSS file, and they save, and they come refresh the page, you can see now if you refresh the page, then the animation it is going to add it there, but also to add the beautiful over effect, which even we don't specify any in our code of in the prompt we given to ChatGPT. If you refresh the page, you can see the animation it is added. So what I'm going to do next, so but can you see ChatGPT it is also added some of the things that we even not specify to our piece to our question we ask the chat GPT. But also if you scroll down, you can see this the script file. This is the JavaScript. So if you take this, copy this script, then you're going to add there to the HTML file. So guys, as you see to style ChatGPT, give us simple explanation also at the end of the is of the its explanation, guys. So if I'm had here the JavaScript file, as you can see. So you can see, guys, if you scroll the page, then you're gonna see the animation. You see the animation effect, guys, but also couple of things that ChatGPT it's added to our animation to our navigation bar, we don't specify even in our question, guys. So this is how we can do ChatGPT, guys. So let me also do something because all you need to do just now you can customize it as you want. You can maybe take an option to add more links, or you can just add maybe a background. You can add a couple of things after you have already. For example, ChatGPT is added this background color which is not yet pleasant, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to find an image for myself and I'm going to add to that. Maybe let's come to pixels. If you come to pixels now, you can take that image. So let me search for maybe let's find an image here on pixels. So on pixels, so these are these are copyright free. So if you scroll down and find the let's find the image here to take at the background. So if you scroll down, let's take this, download this image. As you can see, it is downloaded there. So I come back to find where it is. So this one. And now we are going to the same folder which we included there HTML file and the CSS file. So what we need to do, just add, maybe let's add another folder here and call it images. Let's call it images, and inside this folder we are going to add the image. So let's paste it in there, maybe rename it to make it simple. Say it is back. Okay, save these changes, and if you come back to our code editor, you're going to see just take this line off, take this code off, this line off, then add the pass to our image, which is images slash back. So this one, and as you can see, it is already declared the styling for this image. Now if you save these changes and they come to refresh that page again, guys, you can see this. You can see now we do these things, all of the things, but in a few minutes, guys, with the aid of chat gpt. So as you can see, you can do more and more customization regarding what ChatGPT has already provided to you. So this is going to save some time to you if you're programmer. Then ChatGPT, guys, can do wonderful things for you. All you need to do, just subscribe to this channel, guys. Smash the like button to get this video thumbs up. Thank you, and let me see you in the next video. Okay.